Hello guys, I wanted to take a moment just to show you how to take a snip because a lot of students have been struggling to take snips and get them into their class kicks or their notes. So the first thing you should do is go to the search bar at the bottom if you have a Windows computer, and you're going to type snipping tool. Once you start typing snipping, it'll pop up with a little picture of scissors with a circle. You can click that and then you'll get this little menu. What we want is we want new. Now, I have it set to make a square. If you hit mode, you can take full screens, a window, or draw your own. I like the square. I'm going to hit new, and wherever I want to take a snip or take a little screenshot of my notes, I'm just going to hold my mouse down and drag. And now I've got this snip. Now there's a couple things you can do. You can get rid of it. You can draw on it up here if you want. You can save it. If you are trying to put it in your notes somewhere, like your class kicks, a PowerPoint, a Word document, you can right click and hit copy. Then when you want to paste it somewhere, all you have to do is either right click, hit paste, or hit the Control V button on your keyboard. If you're using class kicks, Control V on your keyboard, which is going to be the bottom left and then the letter V, is the only way to get a snip into class kicks. Another option you have to take a screenshot is hitting print screen, which will take a whole screen picture of your computer screen. So whatever's on your screen, it will take a picture of. At the bottom, usually bottom to middle right of your keyboard, there'll be a button that says Prtsc, and I'll write that on the board. Prtsc. When you click that button, it takes a screenshot of your whole screen, and all you have to do is hit right click to paste or Control V to paste into class kicks, into your PowerPoint, or into your Word documents. If you need any more help with this, please let us know. Hopefully this helps you out, and have fun snipping.